How to fix Block Blast Revive not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Block Blast Revive not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, if you're playing Block Blast on Classic and you find your Revive not working, there can be many reasons why this can happen. So the first thing that you can do is just first wait, and after you've done waiting you can then simply check for your internet connection. Now Revive does show you an ad, so you will need an internet connection for that ad to load. After the ad loads you will be revived, and yeah, if you don't even get to the ad section, what you'll need to do is just swipe up like this, remove your block blast from the background, and after you removed it you can then open it up again. After you open up your block blast again, your progress should hopefully be saved. And after you tap on classic or adventure again, you should be able to, just get to your last point wherever you were on the game. So let me just end this game right here. So, yeah, you should be on your last point wherever you were, and after you were on that very point, you can then revive yourself. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do to actually get your revive working. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.